Hey everyone, today I want to explain about large language models, LLMs, in the simplest way possible. You have probably heard about ChatGPT or similar tools, but what actually goes on under the hood? An LLM is basically a giant text prediction machine. It's trained on massive amounts of text, books, articles, websites. When you type in a question, it doesn't know the answer the way the person does. Instead, it predicts the next word, then the next, until it forms a response that looks meaningful. Think about how we finish each other's sentences. If I say, the sky is, you'll probably say, blue. That's prediction. LLMs do the same thing, but on a much larger, more powerful scale. They don't have beliefs or understanding. They are just incredibly good at spotting turns in language. For me, as a runner, it's kind of like training for an ultramarathon. You'll repeat small steps, run, intervals, long miles, thousands of times until your body learns the patterns. An LLM is the same. It trains on trillions of examples until it learns how to continue almost any sentence you give it. So, why does it feel like it's thinking? Because patterns in language reflect patterns in knowledge. By predicting the next word really well, it can give answers that sound like reasoning, even though it's not actually reasoning like we do. That's LLMs in plain English. Not thinking, but predicting at scale. Just like running, it's all about repetition, training, and patterns. Thanks for watching, guys.